Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Mustaqim bin Azizi. My metric number is 14 DKM 16F1087. Today I will present a presentation entitled The Influence of Video Games to JKM Students. Our lecturer is Mr. Bobby Chu Han Yong. Now I will tell you about my group members. Our group members consist of 3 people. The first is Muhammad Fakhrul Hadi bin Sahril Azwan. The second one is Ahmad Mustaqim bin Azizi, which is me. The third one is Muhammad Iskandar bin Mazuki. Next, we go to objective. First, seeking acceptance of video games among students. Second, knowing students organize their times in playing video game. Third, we find out where the influence of video games come from. Okay, now we go to the first question. The first question we asked in Google Form is, do you play video game or computer games every day? According to our research, 75.6% says yes and 24.4% said no. From this pie chart, we find a large number of people play video games every day. Okay, the second question is, what is average time you play video game in a day? So from this question, we found that 38.5% play video game less than 1 hour a day, 25.6% play video games less than 2 hours, 20.5% play video game less than 3 hours, and finally 15.4% play video games for more than 3 hours. Then next question will be continued to Muhammad Iskandar bin Ahmad Mazuki.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Iskandar bin Ahmad Marzuki. My number metric is 40 DKM 19F1071. I will continue question 3. The question is, did you initially play video game or computer game because you were influenced by something? Okay, firstly we get 75% say yes and 25% say no. I find the majority of students are very influenced by video game because they are often exposed to an atmosphere full of game. Okay, I will continue to question 4. This question is related to question 3. The question is, what is the matter or who is the person? A total of 21.1% from their own parents and 68.4% from peers, 50% from social media, and finally from the article, which is 10.5%. Here show they are influenced more to their peers because they are already have their own gadget and easy to play video game. Therefore, it is not surprising if they are very fond of video games. For example, that has become famous in modern time are Mobile Legends, PUBG, Clash of Clans, and others. That's all from me. We will be continue to Muhammad Fakhrul Hadi bin Sahril Azwan.
My name is Muhammad Fakhrul Hadi bin Sahril Azwan. Metric number 14 DKM 18F1800. Okay, for this question, refer to the pie chart. We can see the most respondents are very interested in the development of video game technology, which is 95.4% of 41 respondents. Most JKM students spend time playing video games at home. This may be due to easy internet access in line with the development of internet network in Malaysia. In addition, the house may also be a comfortable place for them to play the games.
In conclusion, based on research that we did, we found that the majority of JKM students like to play video games. They often play for a relatively long period of time, but there are a handful of students playing more than we expected, which is playing more than 3 hours. In addition, they have also been influenced by something that they feel makes them more interested to playing video games than recreation or sports. This has been assessed and studied by our group, which is shown a very high percentage. In addition, if we not control this issue, it will give an impact either positive or negative. Next, they are also interested in innovation in video game. This has also shown they are very fond of all like is today video game. Lastly, the house is the best place for a majority of JKM students to play video game, as they are easy to do wherever they want.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching.